So let's start. In a pot on high heat, pour some oil, then drop in your pork. Next, season with salt and pepper, add in your garlic and saute. Add in your tomato paste, then continue to stir. Pour in your tomato sauce, mix it well, then add in about 2 cups of water. We'll just have to let this boil, then add in the Knorr Cubes. In this case, I'm using chicken cubes since it has a neutral flavor. Just mix this around and we'll cover. We'll leave this here until the pork is tender, approximately 30 to 35 minutes. 35 minutes has gone by, that was fast. Remove the lid, then add in your potatoes and carrots. Let this cook for about 10 minutes, covered. Next, add in your bell peppers and let this reduce by half. Now it's time to add in your gata and again, let this reduce. This is all done. Give it a final mix, making sure nothing sticks at the bottom of the pan. And let's proceed to the plate up. Grab your favorite bowl and spoon in the meat first. Ladle some sauce and garnish with parsley or whatever you desire. And voila! Pork menudo with gata, done.
It's Menudo Burger. It's Menudo Burger.